In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Paperform form using the inline responsive JavaScript embed code. If you want to display your Paperform directly on a website or landing page, this method is a simple and flexible option. It allows the form to appear neatly inside your page layout while staying responsive, which means it can adjust more smoothly across different screen sizes. That's especially useful if your visitors are viewing your site on desktop, tablet, or mobile. To begin, open your form inside the Paperform editor. Once you're in the editor, look for the Share panel. This is where Paperform keeps the options for publishing and distributing your form. Go ahead and open that panel so you can access the available sharing methods. Inside the Share panel, select the Embed tab. This section contains the code options you can use to place your form on an external website. Paperform may offer different embed styles, so make sure you choose the embed option that matches this setup. From there, copy the JavaScript inline responsive embed code block that Paperform provides. Be sure to copy the full code snippet exactly as it appears. This is important because even a small missing character or incomplete line can prevent the form from displaying correctly on your site. Taking a second to confirm that the entire block has been copied can save you troubleshooting later. Next, go to the platform where you want the form to appear. Open the HTML builder, code block, or custom HTML area of that hosting platform. This is the place where pasted embed code is typically accepted. Once you've found it, paste in the Paperform code snippet you copied earlier. After pasting the code, save or publish your changes on the hosting platform, depending on how that builder works. In many cases, the form won't appear publicly until the page is updated or republished. If your platform offers a preview mode, it's a good idea to use it so you can confirm the form is loading properly before visitors see it. If the form doesn't show up right away, double check that you pasted the code into an HTML compatible area rather than a regular text block. That's a common issue and usually easy to fix. Also, make sure the code wasn't altered during pasting. And that's it. Once the embed code is in place, your Paperform should display directly on your destination page using the inline responsive format.